everyone! It's Baby Truck's birthday, so we're having a party! And I've invited Baby Truck's heroes, Fiona, Firetruck and Dandy!
Zoinks! That's Fiona's emergency alarm! Sorry, Baby Truck, we have to go. Someone needs our help!
Poor Baby Truck. She wants to help Fiona and Dandy and be a hero just like them.
Don't worry, Baby Truck. They'll be back. It's your birthday, so... Vamos de fiesta!
Spinning screwdrivers! Your balloon is stuck in that tree!
Leave this to the cat.
Be careful, Cat! It's a long way up!
Ay de mí! And a long way down!
Don't worry, Cat! We'll get you down!
Oh, but how?
Oh, if only Dandy and Fiona were still here. Oh, I have a plan! But we'll need your help, Baby Truck. If I attach a ladder to your roof, you could reach Cat like a fire truck. What tools do we need? Drill. Wrench. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, we need to drill some holes through the ladder for the bolts. Then, we secure the extendable ladder in place by tightening the bolts with my wrench. There, ready to rescue.
Hurry, porfa!
Baby Truck, reverse up to the tree and we'll extend your ladder. You can do this, Baby Firetruck. Steady now. Brave Baby saved Cat from the tree, just like a real fire truck.
Muchas gracias. You're my hero.
And our hero too! This calls for a special birthday present. For such a daring rescue, I'm awarding you a Hero's Medal for birthday bravery.
We needed a hero when Cat got stuck, and it was our friend Baby Firetruck. Goodbye, everyone. Let's dance. Hello, everyone. Trevor's just delivered his plough for us to fix. Huh? Ah, and here's Dandy with Fiona Firetruck for her checkup. Coming, you two. Oopsie! It's freezing out here. Ooh. Hello, Dandy.
Oh, hi, Gecko. Hey, Mechanicals. Who wants a game of tag? Zoinks! Looks like I'm it!
Shall we get started on your checkup, Fiona?
Mechanicals! Where are you?
Everything's looking good so far, Fiona. Let's just check your hose.
Are you hiding in here? Ooh. Dandy dive!
Huh? Dandy, are you okay?
Whoa! Gecko, come outside! The water from the hose has frozen.
Careful, Blue. It's not an ice rink. The ice is too bumpy to skate on. How can we make it smooth and safe? Aha! I know how to make an ice rink. We'll turn Fiona into an ice resurfacer. What tools do I need? Wrench! Drill! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
The ice is too bumpy, so to make it smooth, the blades in this plough can remove all the grooves. Attach Fiona's hose to the plough here, please, to create a flat layer of water to freeze. This old car wash sponge will polish and shine. And now our ice rink is mighty fine. Oh, it's working! Ah, thanks, Fiona. Together we turned an accident into brilliant fun.
Look how much fun the mechanicals are having! I'm so excited to skate!
It's safe to skate now, Blue. I've got you.
I'm skating!
Goodbye, everyone. What's that yummy smell?
That's right, a free kebab for every customer. This is sure to get me more customers. In you go, Eric. Oh, cook faster.
Is something burning?
Ow! Oh, what's wrong with this silly thing? Oh! No! My beautiful barbecue!
Fiona Firetruck, there's a fire!
We're saved! Oh!
Let's help fight that fire! Go, go, mechanicals!
Oh! Save it! Hurry up! Hurry up! Ew! Oh, I'm soaked!
Oops! Sorry! The hose won't reach. Great idea, Fiona. Let's use the fire extinguisher. Oh, I got you. Thank goodness everyone's safe. Great job, everyone. See you again soon. Bye. What? Huh? Fiona Firetruck. What's the matter? Your hose isn't working. Let's take a look. Don't you worry, Fiona. We'll soon get you fixed. I'll get my best wrench. What? Come on, mechanicals. Give me a hand, please. Are you all right, Yellow? Well,
think that's the problem fixed. Thanks for visiting us at Gecko's Garage, Fiona. Bye! Hello, everyone. It's Green's birthday, and we're getting ready for a beach party. Steady! These are helium balloons, so they float up. Everything's ready. We're just waiting for Fiona Firetruck to bring Green's birthday cake. Careful, Fiona. Don't drive on the wet sand. Quick! The tide's coming in. Oh! We'll get you out somehow, Fiona. Aha! We can lift her out with all of your balloons, Green. I know you love your balloons, but Fiona really needs them. Can we use them, please? It's working! It's working! Uh-oh! It's working too well! She's flying off! That's it! Go, go, Mechanicals! Nice work, Mechanicals! And here come the rest of the party guests. Glad you could make it, everyone. Well done for sharing, Green. And happy birthday to you. Hooray!
Hello, everyone. Baby Truck's here for a play date with the Mechanicals. I'll come play soon. I just need to finish changing Fiona Firetruck's wheels. Oh! Someone needs our help. Oh no! There's a fire and Fiona can't help.
Her new wheels haven't arrived yet. What will we do? Aha! That's it! The car wash! Baby Truck, how would you like to be a fire truck for the day?
Go, go, baby fire truck! It's okay, Trevor. No need to fear. Gecko's firefighters are here. Oh no! We've sprung a leak! Take over, Red! Oh, good, Red! No problem, Trevor. And well done, baby. You make a really good fire truck. Bye, everyone! Hello, everyone. We're going camping tonight. Very close to home. We just need to put the tent up. Huh? Never mind, Mechanicals. It's getting dark. Let's get a fire going and roast some marshmallows. When lighting fires don't get hurt, stand well back and stay alert.
Look,
It's Fiona, Firetruck and Dandy. There must be an emergency.
Fire! Fire! Don't panic, pals. Dandy's here to deal with the danger.
Wait, Dandy, stop! This is our campfire.
Oops. Sorry, Gecko.
That's okay, Dandy. We're going to roast some marshmallows. Would you and Fiona like to join us?
Would we ever? Thank you. Whee! Oops. Sorry, Fiona.
Spinning ladders! Fiona's controls are out of control!
Keep calm, everyone. Dandy's got this.
Hold on, Dandy!
Don't worry. All is going to plan.
This button should stop the ladder. Phew. Let's get Fiona in the garage and fix these controls. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we sing this rhyme. Fiona's controls need repair, so let's see what's going on in there. The buttons are busted and the levers are loose. We need to give them all a big boost. These controls are nice and handy for Fiona to fight fires with Dandy. Good job, team. Our work is done. Fixing time is so much fun.
So much fun. Thank you, Gecko. Oh, thank you, Mechanicals. I love marshmallows. We've got to go. Someone needs our help. Oops, not that one. Sorry!
Oh, well. Time for bed anyway. Goodbye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. We're at the construction site with our friend Dandy. He's teaching Baby Truck and Red how to be firefighters.
Oh, gee, I'm super excited too. Now, recruits, the next lesson is fighting a fire.
Look! Eric's built a safe place to light a practice fire for Dandy.
To put out a fire, we pour water on the flames. Time to grab your hose.
Safety first, Red. Helmet on properly. There.
I've got you, buddy. Woohoo! That's what I call fighting a fire.
Wow! Great job, you two. Fiona, look out! Dandy saved Fiona. Oh.
Don't panic. Dandy's here to deal with the danger.
But how will you get back down?
Next lesson is using Fiona's ladder to rescue someone stuck up high. Like me.
Oh no! Fiona's ladder won't reach! Spinning screwdrivers! Dandy might fall! We need a longer ladder! Fast! I know! To reach Dandy, let's join Fiona and Baby Truck's ladders together!
Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time.
Quickly, let's undo these screws, because there's not a minute to lose. Now fasten the ladders together tight, so we can give them extra height.
Huh?
The final fix to reach our friend is to bolt Eric's bucket on the end.
Andy, climb into the bucket.
Dandy dive! Thank you, brave recruits.
Phew, everyone's safe. Thanks, old pal. You taught us a lot today.
And you all taught me the true meaning of teamwork.
Goodbye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. It's been snowing, so we're trying out our new toboggans at Cat's Base.
Ready to race, mechanicals? 3, 2, 1, go!
Are you okay, Blue? Whoa! Thanks, Cat. This icy patch is what made you lose control of your toboggan.
That's why I have these ice grips on my boots, so I never slip.
Hi, Bobby. Come to enjoy the snow? Slippery screwdrivers. Bobby's heading towards that icy patch.
Watch out for the ice!
It's too icy for him to grip and stop. He's slipping out of control and heading towards the cliff. Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck. Oh, no! Tilly isn't strong enough to pull Bobby alone. Oh, I know. Come in, Cat. We need your help.
Vámonos, Helena. Gecko needs our help to rescue Bobby.
Cat, you need to hook Bobby's back bumper with Helena's winch so we can pull Bobby to safety together.
You got it, Gecko.
Almost.
Yes, it's working.
Hurrah! Well done, Cat. Ha-ha! Phew. I'm glad you're safe, Bobby. But we need to make sure you're always safe on the road. Let's tow you back to Cat's Base for a fix. You need some snow chains on your tyres to give them better grip. What tool do I need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. By tightening these bolts, your snow chains will stay in place to keep you safer on the slippery ice.
Bobby's grip is too good now.
Snow can be fun, but we must take care to grip and be safe everywhere. Oh, missed! Goodbye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. We're having a picnic at the lake today. Green and blue are rowing in their boat, and red and yellow are helping Grandma do some fishing. Wow, great cast, Grandma.
Yes, I upgraded the reel on my fishing rod so I can cast it out further than ever. Oh, I caught something. Another boot. Add it to the pile.
Keep trying, Grandma. Be careful, you two, or you'll drop an oar. And there goes the other one.
Try pulling the rope to raise the sail. It will catch the wind and get you moving.
Jumping jackhammers. Now they're stuck out there.
Try to stay calm, you two. We'll find a way to get you back to shore.
But how?
Oh, Grandma, can you use your fishing rod to hook the next boat and reel them in, please?
I'll certainly try, Gecky. Besides, it would be nice to catch something I actually want for a change.
Spinning screwdrivers! The fishing line isn't long enough.
If only I had a bigger rod.
That's it! Tilly's winch! It's just like your fishing rod, Grandma, only much bigger.
Clever lad. Now, let's get our mini metal ones back to shore.
What tool do we need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
An adjustment to Tilly's winch motor.
We'll give it the power to cast this life ring out to blue and green.
Just a little bit.
More. There, that should do the trick. Let's cast this ring out beside the boat.
Oh, bravo, Tilly dear. I should take you fishing next time.
Hold on tight.
Okay, let's reel them in, Tilly.
Hey, hooray!
Safe at last. And hungry too, I bet. It's picnic time.
Now this is what I call a catch of the day. Grandma's apple pie.
Look, Yellow's caught something. Oh, it's a sail from the boat.
When nothing seems to go your way, stay calm and think. And it will be okay. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Today we're at Trevor's farm to enjoy some delicious homemade lemonade.
I love lemonade!
We've brought our own special metal straws.
Oh, Trevor, it's delicious! Thank you.
Trevor collects rainwater in that tank to water the trees. When the lemons are ripe, they're picked and squeezed and made into lemonade. Oh, Green, it's the lemons that need squeezing, not the trees. Oh, no! Nuts and bolts, we must stop that water from being wasted.
Don't worry, Dandy's the chap to turn off that tap.
Oh, soggy screwdrivers. The leak has made it so muddy that it's too slippery to reach the tap.
Oh no! Trevor needs this water for his crops to grow.
You're right, Dandy. We can't let it leak away. Let's think of a plan. That's it, Blue. We'll use suction to collect the water, like a giant straw.
Oh yes, Gecko! But how?
With a little adjustment to your hose. If that's okay, please, Fiona. Oh, thank you. What tool do we need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. The pump motor on Fiona's hose makes the water flow outwards. But if we reverse the motor, the hose will suck water back up into Fiona's tank.
Ready to go with the flow, Gecko! It's working! Well done, Fiona. You saved every last drop possible.
Fiona's tank is almost full. Now it's time to refill Trevor's tank.
All done, Trevor. Your tank is full again. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
By working together, the precious water was saved. Now Trevor's lemons can grow to make more lemonade. Goodbye, everyone.
Maybe we could fill Fiona's tank with lemonade.
Hello, everyone. Mr. Weasel's trying to attract more customers with an open invitation to his garage. Oh.
Don't forget to charge them for that photo, Sly.
Oh no! Mr. Weasel! Your blimp is floating away!
Oh! Oh, no, it's not! I've got everything under control! Ah, yes! Everything looks in order from up here. Exactly as I planned!
Spinning screwdrivers! Mr. Weasel's in danger! We have to help him get safely back on the ground!
Wobbling whiskers! Now my toesies are getting cold. Stop!
We need to get Mr. Weasel down safely.
Mommy!
Aha! That bouncy castle will provide a soft landing. But how do we move it underneath Mr. Weasel? Oh, that's it! We'll put the bouncy castle on wheels! What tools do we need? Screwdriver, bungee cords.
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
To turn around Mr. Weasel's luck, let's attach this trailer to Baby Truck. Nice and tight. By turning the screws all the way to the right. Now lift the bouncy castle aboard and hold it in place with bungee cords. Go, go, bouncy Baby Truck!
Oh, do something, Gecko!
Nuts and bolts!
Oh, that cliff looks very spiky!
The blimp will pop if it hits that cliff.
Help me! Ah!
Hang on, Mr. Weasel. We have a soft landing for you. Let go now. You'll fall onto the bouncy castle.
That wasn't me! Oh!
Hooray! We saved Mr. Weasel. Well done, Baby Truck.
Oh, how deflating!
Goodbye, everyone. Ah, phew. Thank goodness it stopped raining. Now we can get on with our picnic.
I'm new in town. Cut is the name and the rescuing is the game. I'm here to keep everyone safe.
Hello, Cat. I'm Gecko, and these are the mechanicals. We're just having a picnic. Would you like to join us?
Ooh. Do you have any tuna sandwiches?
I think so. Are there any left, Tilly? Tilly! I'm coming! Oh no! It's too muddy! Tilly's skidding away!
Vamos, Helena. Someone needs rescuing. It won't hook.
Oh! Hang on, Tilly. Keep it steady, Blue. I can't reach.
Gecko, use the umbrella.
Aha! Phew! That was close. Ah, there you go, Tilly.
We make a good team, Gecko.
We do. Thanks for the help, Cat. Oh, hello, everyone. Me and Blue were just heading out to get a Christmas tree for the garage. Oh, it's Bobby the bus. He's stuck. Oh. hot chocolate will warm you up. Don't worry, Bobby. We'll soon get you unstuck. It's no good. Unhook us, Blue. We'll try something else. Oh no! Now Tilly is stuck in the snow. Oh dear, Blue. It looks like we're stuck too. Don't be sad, Blue. Someone will help us. At least we have this hot chocolate to keep us warm. Oops! Look! The hot chocolate melted the snow. I have an idea! Hee! It worked! Hang on, Bobby. You're welcome, Bobby. But what are we going to do with this fallen tree? Aha! Perfect! Merry Christmas, everyone! There you go, Eric. All better now. What was that? Oh, it's Max, the monster truck. He shouldn't be playing here. Construction sites are dangerous. Look at all the mess Max is causing. Oh no, Max has run out of fuel. We've got to get him out before that concrete dries. Quick, mechanicals, fetch the spare fuel. Oh dear, that concrete will be hard in less than a minute. Oh! Oh, how on earth are we going to get the extra fuel over to Max? Oh, Eric's made a bridge! The concrete's almost set! Go, Max, go! Looks like Max has learned his lesson. Thanks, Max. Another panic over. See you next time. Bye! Garage doors, open at speed. It's time to help. Lots of vehicles in need. Spinning screwdrivers, mechanicals. Our friends all have flat tyres. Oh dear. Sounds like the vehicles are tired of waiting. Oh, nuts and bolts! I've never had to fit so many tyres this fast. Speaking of fast tyres, that sounds like Grandma!
There's my little Gecko, with a very big job to do.
How did you know?
The dear little blue one let me know. It's okay to ask for help sometimes.
Thank you both.
Happy to help. Just as you've always helped me and everyone else. Now then, kids, let's get organised.
Go, go, Grandma! Right, Mechanicals, I have an idea.
You've been practising, Gecko.
I learned from the best.
Come again soon, dear.
Thanks, Grandma. I'd never tire of working with you.
And you never tire of your jokes either. Now, who's hungry?
You deserve a rest, Grandma.
But I brought your favourite. Grandma's apple pie.
Oh, there you are, Mummy Truck. Your new tyre should be all set. All right, Mechanicals, let's load up that fence. We don't want another truck to get a flat tyre too. Baby Truck, wait! You mustn't go off by yourself. Baby Truck, where are you? Spinning screwdrivers. With this rain, we'll need eyes in the sky to find Baby Truck. Ah, that's it. Cat, can you hear me? It's Gecko. We've lost Baby Truck. Can you help?
Claro que sí, Gecko. I'm on my way. Oh, I see tire tracks. Follow me.
Come on, Mummy Truck. We'll find your baby.
No te preocupes, Baby Truck. Grab on.
Of course. Baby Truck needs her dummy to feel safe. But how can we get it to her?
Think faster, Gecko. The water is rising.
I have an idea. Here you go, Baby Truck. Now let's get out of here. We're all safe. But next time, remember to never go off by yourself, Baby Truck. Thanks for the help, Cat.
No problema.
Oh,
Oops. Looks like the next stop is Gecko's car wash.
hello there, everyone. Gecko here. It's a lovely sunny day, so I thought I'd do some bird watching. Oh, look! It's the twins, Barry and Carrie. Oh, they look like they're having a lot of fun. Oh, no! Barry's crashed! Quick, Mechanicals! We need to help! Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck! Aha! Don't worry, Barry. We'll soon have you out of there. Blue? Hey! Yay! Let's get you checked over. That's strange. Your engine won't start. Ah, Carrie's come to cheer Barry up. How lovely. Oh, I knew there was something fishy going on. That fish must have been stuck in Barry's exhaust. That's why his engine wouldn't start. It's so nice when your friends come to visit. It helps you get better much faster.
The fish is home safe and sound. His friends must have been worried about him. Well, all's well that ends well. We'll see you again soon. Bye! Hello, everyone. Gecko here. We're just on our way home. What? It's Baby Truck. Hup. What's that, Baby Truck? You've lost your dummy. Don't be upset. We'll find it for you. Go, go, Mechanicals! Try looking by those red flowers. Can you see anything? What about that green hedge? Can you see anything there? It must be here somewhere. I'm sorry, Baby Truck. I can't find your dummy anywhere. Blue! Well done! You found it. Here you go, Baby Truck. All's well that ends well. Thanks for your help, everyone. Bye! Hello, everyone. It's busy today. Baby Truck and Max the monster truck need a tyre change. But where's Max? Oh, hello, Max. Go, go, Mechanicals. Yellow! No, Yellow's gone and bumped her head. So it's over to you, Blue and Red. Hey. Spinning screwdrivers! Come on, Yellow! Looks like the tyres got mixed up. It's okay. We all make mistakes. We just need to swap the tyres back. Oh, don't worry, Max. We'll soon sort this out. Yuck! Baby Truck, we know you're having fun, but they're Max's tyres. Shall we give them back to him now? Oh, well done, Baby Truck. It's important to always give things back after you borrow them. See you again soon. Bye! That's right, Mechanicals. Let's get the garage nice and clean. Oh, sounds like we've got a customer. It's the Truck family. Mummy Truck, Mama Recycle, and Baby Truck, who doesn't look very happy. A wobbly tooth? That's nothing to worry about, Baby Truck. When it falls out, You can place it under your pillow and you get a gold coin. Oh no! Baby Truck sneezed her wobbly tooth away. Oh, don't worry, we'll find it. Go, go, Mechanicals! Ugh, yuck! Sorry, Green. That's not a tooth. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Watch it, Yellow! Oh, we've searched the whole garage and there's no sign of Baby Truck's tooth anywhere. Oh. Just a minute. There's one place we haven't looked. In Blue's feather duster. Aha! Here you go, Baby Truck. Now get home and put it under your pillow. And we'll see you soon for more exciting adventures at Gecko's garage. Bye!
Hello, everyone. We're just fixing Mama Recycle. But, it's getting late. You'll have to stay for a sleepover. Come on, everyone. Time to get ready for bed. Whoa! They're so excited they'll never get to sleep. But I've got an idea. Time to get all squeaky clean before we go to bed and dream. Now it's time to dry you off. I'm coming to get you! They'll never sleep like this. Wait a minute. I've got another idea.
Sleepy mechanicals, lay down your head. You've worked so hard, now it's time for a rest. Baby truck blue, red, yellow, green. It's time for bed. Good night and sweet dreams.
Good night, everyone. Hello, everyone. The Mechanicals are having a play date with Barry and Carrie. Oops! Are you both okay? Barry and Carrie have dented their bumpers.
That was quite some boo-boo.
Oh, don't worry, you two. We'll soon get you both mended.
But you can only fix one bus at a time, Gecko. Why don't I repair Barry's bumper? Remember, every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is #1.
Are you sure, Barry? Well, okay then. I'll get to work on Carrie. Good luck, Barry.
Luck? Oh, you want to make it a competition? Sure. Whoever does the best job is the winner. Ready? Go!
How do you like your new bumper, Carrie?
You call that a bumper? Check this out!
Wow! Well done, Mr. Weasel.
Barry's bumper is actually really cool.
I'm the winner! I'm the best!
This bumper's been glued on.
Yes! But it looked good.
It did. Hey, let's fix Barry together and make a bumper for Carrie.
Really? I mean, sure, I suppose.
What tools do we need?
Huh?
Drill! Polish!
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
OK, Mr. Weasel. To fix the bumper on right, use a drill to fasten the bolts tight. It's most important to be safe when bumping, but you can also be safe when the party is pumping. That's right, Mr. Weasel. A quick buff to shine. Fixing together has worked out just fine.
How about a dancing competition then? I'm sure to win that.
You're wrong.
Oh, goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. There's make-believe magic in the garage today. The mechanicals are pretending to be alien explorers from another galaxy, and Baby Truck is their spaceship. Oh, you want me to turn off the lights so it's more mysterious. Okay. Be careful, alien friends. Oh, is everyone okay? Nuts and bolts. That looks like a broken tail light. Oh, poor Baby Truck. Or should I say, Baby's space rocket. We'll need to repair your tail light if you're going to fly safely back to your planet. And maybe we'll fit a new rocket thruster too. What tools do we need? Screwdriver? Superglue!
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
The first fix will be really bright. With brand new bulbs for your tail lights. This old Flynn has been gathering rust. We'll repair and reuse it to give us thrust. With your recycled rocket booster in place, you're ready for a journey home through space! Baby space rocket launch sequence activated! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, liftoff! Explorers! Good luck on your intergalactic adventures! But don't be too long. Mummy Truck will be here soon to pick up Baby. Welcome home, alien friends! Huh? Oh, hi, Mummy Truck. Goodbye, everyone!